Go again. We're going to try another bite of peas. Peas. You want some peas? Oh, God, no. No more peas. Now, we're going to try some apricot. Apricot. Fruit. Fruit. No better. Oh, my goodness. Want to try another bite? Want to try another bite? Yeah, see now we know. That's not too bad. It's not too bad, Mom. The fruit's not too bad. You give me those peas again, I'm going to throw them at you. Good boy. Yummy, yummy.